in Vegas, and in this video, we're currently staying at the newly renovated room here at the Colosseum Tower at Caesar's Palace. Let me show you guys around. Now that we have seen the room, let's talk about costs. It is currently January on a Saturday, and the room rate is $224 plus $55 a night of resort fees. This does not include taxes. Now let's talk about the room itself. The room is newly renovated, so it is clean, it is fresh, it is nice. However, I do want to point out that this room is actually smaller compared to the standard rooms that you would find in Octavius or Augustus Tower. The rooms there is about 550 square feet, while this one is 350 square feet. Do you really notice the difference? For me, not really, but something to be aware of. But the more important thing that I want to highlight is the fact that there is no personal fridge in this room. Now, I gotta be honest, this is the very first time I've stayed at the Colosseum Tower, as all of my other stays with Caesars were in the other towers. So I know for sure that I had personal fridge there from my previous stay, but this one doesn't have one. I'm not sure how important that is to you, but for me it is, but something to be aware of if you're considering to book this room. Now let's just start exploring the rest of the property.
Let's start off the tour where you would be dropped off if you're getting a cab to get here. This is the entrance from the Las Vegas Boulevard, and this is Julius Caesar, who will welcome you upon your arrival. This is their lobby. It is meant to feel like a Roman palace. It's grand, dramatic, and truly it sets the tone for the rest of the property. If you're looking for a breakfast option, Cafe Americano is also here. This is located right by the front lobby, and this place is actually open 24/7. And if you're looking to go to the spa, the salon, and the fitness center, it is located in the Augustus Tower on the second level. We're currently at the fitness center. This place has recently renovated, and all of their equipment are by Techno Gym. And this is the Garden of the Gods, which is the pool complex here at Caesars. They have a total of 7 pools in here, but because this is off season in January, they only have one that's open, and the current hours is from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. If you're looking to play poker, the poker room is located near the Colosseum. And this is the sports book located between the poker room and Omnia nightclub. Personally, I think this is one of the best sports book that we have on the strip, but let me know down in the comments what you think. This right here is the Omnia nightclub, which is one of the popular clubs here in Vegas. Omnia is currently expanding outside of the Caesars Palace for its day club, which is supposed to open later this year. And this is the entrance to the Colosseum right from the casino. This Colosseum was actually built for Celine Dion in 2003, but has become the most iconic venues here in Las Vegas. Dominic Ansel has a location here right by the casino. If you want to order a cookie shot made by a robot, you can try it out here. This is probably one of the busiest spots here at Caesars. This is Gordon Ramsay's Pub and Grill. If you're looking for a more casual but elevated dining experience, this might be a place for you to visit. One of the emerging trends here in Las Vegas is the conversion of traditional food courts into food halls. Well, Caesars Palace is taking it up a notch by creating a celebrity food hall. This place has offerings from Bobby Flay, Guy Fieri, and Buddy Velastro. Just take note though that this place is going to cost you a pretty penny. And if you're looking for a classy cocktail lounge with a speakeasy, Caspian's is located here by the casino floor near the Nobu Hotel. Probably one of the most famous buffets out here in Vegas is the Bacchanal Buffet. This is a little bit pricier than your normal buffet here. The brunch option is selling for around $87 and the dinner option is $94, but those prices could increase depending on the events that are happening. If you're looking for a quick breakfast option, Pronto by Giada is your place to go. This is located right across the Bacchanal Buffet. One of the newer additions here at Caesars Palace is New York's famous Peter Luger Steakhouse. You can find this across Pronto. Caesars Palace is one of the largest casinos out here on the Las Vegas Strip. The total casino size is about 124,000 square feet, but it's actually designed to keep you wandering because they're not just laid out in one massive area, they are separated across multiple pockets across the property. This is the Forum Shops. This is located right by the casino. It is supposed to feel like you're shopping on a Roman street. It has fake skies, fountains, and the Atlantis show, and it's actually one of the highest grossing malls around the world. And we just made it up here on the third floor of the Forum Shops, looking out on what I would call the main atrium of this shopping center. Just look at the architecture and the amount of details in here. It's just very, very impressive. And this area right here is their nod to Rome's Pantheon. It may not be too obvious, but when you actually look up, you can see that this is their attempt to replicate the Pantheon down in Rome. Another popular photo spot here is the Fountain of the Gods, located at the Forum Shops. One of the free things that you guys could do while here in Vegas is to check out the animatronics show here at the Atlantis. This is located at the Forum Shops here at Caesars Palace. It is playing at top of every hour from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Thursdays until Mondays. This show is currently not available on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. This right here is the Vegas version of the Trevi Fountain. This is located right outside the Forum Shops, right on Las Vegas Boulevard. Unfortunately, it is currently being worked on, that's why it is empty. But look at the details of this thing. It's magnificent. And this is the exterior view of the Colosseum. This place opened in 2003 and it has a capacity of between 4,100 to 4,300 spectators. The construction that you guys are looking at right now is Omnius Day Club, which is supposed to open later this year. And just not too far away, you guys could see the Hard Rock Guitars Hotel is taking shape. And if you guys are interested, there is a shrine of the four-faced Brahma located outside of the hotel. I think part of the Vegas experience is coming to at least one celebrity restaurant. And if there's only one that you can do, I recommend Hell's Kitchen out here by the Caesar's Palace by Mr. Gordon Ramsay. Just make sure that you have reservations, otherwise you're gonna be looking at waiting for hours to get a table. And that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this content, please give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next.